this is a potential support. Price might start to reverse from here, right? So we need to go ahead and close and take our profits right here. Traders, welcome back to another episode. This one is for beginner traders. As a beginner trader, you need to watch this video from start to end. All right, so now here on the screen, we are looking at 4 patterns, right? So as a beginner trader, you need to learn how to read price action, how the market moves, right? All right, so now here on the left side, this is a reversal pattern, right? We see that price is pushing up and we have this pattern right here. Now, when you see a pattern like this, price is likely to push to the downside, right? Now, remember, guys, this is a game of probability, right? So when you see a pattern like this, there's a higher chance, there's a higher probability that price is going to push to the downside, right? So now the second one, we see that price is pushing to the downside, and we see a pattern like this, right? So now with this pattern, price is likely to push to the upside, right? Can you see the difference? This one is facing up and this one is facing down, right? Now the third one here, this is known as a continuation pattern, right? We see that price is pushing up and we see a pattern like this facing to the downside, and price is likely to push to the upside. Now, this is an impulse, a correction, another impulse. Now, the last one here is in a downtrend where price is pushing down, impulse, correction, and we anticipate another impulse to the downside, right? Impulse, correction, impulse, right? These are simple patterns that you need to pay attention to. All right, so now as you can see, this is my analysis right here. And as you can see from here, we've been having this same patterns, right? Impulse, correction, impulse again, right? And can you see this? This is the reversal pattern, right? We see that price pushed to the downside and again here, down, again with this one here. See, price went up, impulse, we have correction, impulse again, right? And this is where we are currently. We have this, so this was an impulse, correction, impulse, right? And now we have this one right here. We anticipate another push to the downside. All right, traders, this is on my MT5, and as you can see, already I have 2 running trades, right? And of course, I entered prematurely. Please do not judge me, right? So let's say we have this pattern. Oh no. Right, so this is what we have here, and I say that I entered prematurely because I was supposed to wait for price to actually break out before entering a sell position, right? Or at least enter at the high. Remember, guys, you need to sell high and buy low, right? Sell high and buy low. So this is in the middle. So I was not supposed to enter here. This is in the middle. I was supposed to at least enter at our high point there. You need to sell high and you buy low, okay? Now, this is what we had earlier on. And we see that price pushed to the downside, okay? And this is what we're anticipating next. We anticipate price to start pushing to the downside. All right, so now this is a pending order, right? This is what you should be using to trade this pattern. So already I have 2 running trade. So we are committed to this trade. We just have to wait and, be patient and see what happens. My stop loss is there at the top. If price continues to go up, it's going to hit my stop loss. So now we just have to be patient and wait for price to play out, right? All right, traders. Now, here's something that you need to keep in mind. Ne? So these trend lines, ne? They act as support and resistance. So now we see that price is actually at our support. So now it's up to you. Let's say you entered at high point, right? You entered there at the top, and now price is here at your support. So now it's up to you guys. Are you greedy? Are you holding, or are you closing? Because you need to understand this is a support. So now there's a high chance that price might bounce from here and push up, right? So there is that chance that price might bounce and push to the upside. So now it is up to you to close or to hold, right? So now let's see. I mean, I'm looking at this and I think we should be going down, guys. We should be going down. So let me just hold. However, if price returns back to my entry, I think I'm going to close. If price goes back to my entries, I think I'm going to close, right? So now you see that price is actually starting to bounce from our support, So let's just, you know what? Let's be patient, man. Let's just be patient. All right, traders. This is an update on the trade. It seems like price is actually failing to break below. I'm thinking of closing now. So at a profit of 1,000 rands, and we are struggling to break below. So let's wait for this candle to actually close, and we'll take it from there. If price is rejecting, then we're gonna have to close. Let's start by adjusting our stop losses here. Okay. All right, so our stop losses have been adjusted. You know what? Let's move it here. Okay. So now let's see what's happening. All right, so in the meantime, let me just go outside and bask in the sun. You know, the benefits of being a forex trader. All right, so our candle has just opened. Right? So you know what, if we ever, let's say, if we go above, let's say somewhere around here, this is where we are going to set our stop losses. All right, so you know, if price fails to continue going down, it's going to hit our stop loss, and we're still gonna walk away with profits. We are still going to walk away with profits. I mean, so far this looks good. Everything looks good. Everything looks great. Price is pushing nicely to the downside, and I'm still outside basking in the winter sun, drinking my coffee and downloading some money. This is the life, guys. This is the life. This looks nice, guys. This looks amazing. And this is a support zone here. This is a potential support. Price might start to reverse from here, right? So we need to go ahead and close and take our profits right here. All right, taking our profits.